Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back. For those who are new here and watching me the first time, my name is Sunny. I create beauty related videos here on my channel, which I really don't because I'm kind of a skipper and I actually fail to do that because every time I try to plan of that sort, something or the other happens in my life which brings all the tornado in my life. So I'm not gonna make any excuses. I'm still going to try to create as many as videos here on my channel. So if you're new here watching me the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, let's jump into the makeup haul. Okay, so we have this much of makeup which I have recently bought. I'm quite excited to use all of them. Okay, so without further ado, let's pick the first product, and this is the Morphe sponge. I have heard really good reviews about that. Even though I have Beauty Blender, but I still want to give Morphe sponge a try, and honestly the size of it is quite bigger as compared to the Beauty Blender when it's dry. So I'm quite interested to know about how this is going to work. Okay, next we have, this is the Vault. So yeah, so I have purchased Jaclyn Hill Morphe collection. This is the Vault collection she has launched. There is a lot of controversy going on around this Vault collection, blah blah blah. There are a lot of drama channels who have already covered that, but honey, I'm gonna still review the same, and this is around $49. I'm gonna just unbox it here. So it comes in a beautiful packaging like this. I really like the logo and kind of the design. I was like, I mean, this is something which minimalistic things really attract me. So they have 4 Morphe palettes, and okay, so these are the 4 Morphe palettes, and one of them, which is I think Armed and Gorgeous, I have already kind of tried this palette, and there is some tea which I'm gonna spill onto these palettes when I'm gonna put them into test. I'm gonna make I'm thinking to create a single video featuring all these 4 palettes, or I want to create 4 multiple videos using single, like 1 palette each. So I'm just a little bit confused. So if you guys can tell me what do you want to see here on my channel, just put it in the comment section. I love to hear some replies from you guys. So I am kind of an eyeshadow junkie. I literally get really crazy. I still have a lot of palettes which I have not even hit pan on, but I still kind of purchase a lot of makeup by my own money. So most of the times I don't invest too much into makeup because I hardly get time to use that, but hopefully I'm gonna create more tutorials around that. Okay, moving on, we have this beautiful Splash of Glitters 2 palette, and this is by Beauty Creations. I have got this palette from Shophush.com. This is a website. They sell a lot of dupes and a lot of good makeup products on a very affordable price. So this is the Beauty Creations glitter palette, and let me just show you guys what I actually gagged on. Look at these pretty colors. So this is a really nice glitter palette. It has a lot of interesting colors going on, and I'm very much excited to try a lot of glitter based tutorials. Okay, so moving on, we have something other which is quite glittery and quite bomb. This is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb in how many carats. This had been featured on Nikki Tutorials channel first, and I saw Rihanna's makeup artist doing some sort of highlighting moment on her face, which I actually gagged on. And honey, let me tell you, the packaging is really pretty. It's some sort of rose gold touch to that, and whenever you're gonna do any makeup anywhere, you can just sit like this and act like a diva. Yes, so this again, I have bought another Fenty product, and that is the Diamond Bomb. No, this is Gloss Bomb Again, it's by Fenty Beauty. So these two were into the anniversary collection, I think she launched. Let me just try this lip gloss and just have my first impressions. Oh my god. This, do you see how my lips are looking like now? I think I have applied here. So moving on, we have another eyeshadow palette. Now this I have bought off from Amazon, and this is a dupe to the 35B palette by Morphe, which unfortunately is not available on their website anymore. But I really wanted to have a bright colored palette, which I used to have back in the day. That was from BH Cosmetics, I suppose. So this is how it looks like. So it doesn't have any mirror, it doesn't say anything which is related to Morphe. It says that it's 35E, and it has a mix, it has a bunch of actually shimmer shades into that, which are really cool. So yeah, I'm going to create colorful looks using this palette. Okay, so to pair off my colored looks, I have bought two of the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner, and one of them is in, okay, one is Vivid Blossom and the other one is called Vivid Petal. So this is the pink one and this is the lilac one, and I think most of the colored looks which I can think of would be paired really good using these two eyeliners. Okay, so then we have more bunch of eyeliners. So I have got around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eyeliners. This is around $1.20 each. So I have got these eyeliners from Shophush Beauty. So I've had an order. I have a bunch of items still in my basket to show you guys, which I have ordered from Shophush Beauty. And these eyeliners are pretty bomb. I have actually tried all of them, and we have a lot of other purchases which I have done from Shophush Beauty. So I'm gonna just take two of my favorite eyeshadow palettes out. So this is Solstice and this one is Supernova. These both are from Bad Habit Beauty. That is the brand which is known to create a lot of high-end eyeshadow palettes dupe for. They are coming up with the Norvina one, which I'm excited about. So I'm going to show you, and let's see the color scheme. I have already had a glance onto that, but yeah, I'm going to show you how pretty these eyeshadow palettes look. So look at the color scheme. And then to pair it up, it was in a bundle. I have Bad Habit Supernova, and now this eyeshadow palette has a lot of cool toned shades into this, and as you can see here, at times I like to play around some cool colors as well. So yeah, this palette is, I think, superb for that. Then we have another dupe for the KKW Mario eyeshadow palette, and this is Artistry 2. This is Artistry 2 by Bad Habit Beauty. It's look at this eyeshadow palette. These are the exact same colors which the Mario palette has, and I'm kind of interested to play with this blue color, so I'm gonna just try it. Oh my god, this is really some fucking pigmentation. Okay, so then we have this Unicorn Glow highlighter palette. Again, this is from, no, this is not from Bad Habit, this is from Face Candy. This is another brand which is available on Shophush Beauty. And first of all, the packaging is really pretty. I just love this holographic kind of a tone, and then it has a lot of interesting highlighter shades. I hope the camera does justice to this. So these have Look at the colors, they're so pretty. This highlighter palette is, I think, again a dupe to one of the Anastasia's highlighter palette, and I think it's going to look really pretty. So these are all the purchases I have done in last week, and I want to apologize to my kind of a small followers here on YouTube. I try to really make good content for you guys, and I kind of actually make a content plan and calendar, but I can never come here and sit and shoot a video because of a lot of things go into my life, and I promise that I'm going to create more videos for you guys here on my channel. I love you all. Hope you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still like makeup hauls, do let me know into the comment section below. So in future I have a lot of other videos around makeup haul which I'm going to do. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I see you guys next time. Bye guys.